What is up today? We are doing a little bit of drinks with Stephanie today, and we're going to talk about, let's just say, a new Android phone that is going to be folding. It's going to be a fold-up phone. I have a couple screenshots above me right here. To let you guys know what it is exactly. A folding phone. A folding phone is one of those phones that it bends kind of. It's like those TVs. How those TVs, like, they look like wallpaper strips hanging on this wall. It's like that. And it's gonna be in competition with Samsung and Apple. Apparently, the source is familiar with Huawei plans. Korean news publication ET News claims that Huawei is basically preparing launch a true foldable phone. It's basically a Huawei phone, basically. Huawei is basically gonna launch a new foldable phone, basically. And it is largely aligned with the Samsung, but of that demo back in 2013. Remember the 2013 Samsung phone? I think this is the one that blew up. Is it the one that blew up? I don't know. Either way, it's going to be a demo like the Samsung from the 2013 year, but it was going to be foldable. And it's going to be made by Huawei. And so, what is going to happen with Apple and Samsung when they see this going to happen? Is Apple going to have its foldable iPhone? And is Samsung going to have the next foldable phone, Android phone? What's going to happen? Is this going to be a new compete on foldable phones? Is it really going to be foldable phones? Let me know in the comments below what do you think on that. And yeah. What is it going to happen? Is it going to be the next top phone than Apple and Samsung? And is Apple and Samsung going to actually release a foldable phone that's top notch compared to Huawei? I don't know. I have a Huawei, and Huawei is kind of beats Samsung. It kind of does. Make sure you hit that subscribe button up there, and make sure you leave me in the comments down below of what you think about all this. And make sure you follow me all over there at Stephanie's Life, and let me know if you think this is awesome. Write in the comment and just say awesome. Alright? And hit that subscribe button and follow me all over there at Stephanie's Life. See ya, peace, bye, and subscribe.